Y'all, this video is a day late, but you see the title of the video, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I threw up again. I did not meet my goal, and in fact, I am 190 pounds. So I gained weight. For reasons why that happened. It was because, one, it's just, I don't know. Of course, we know that it takes away your appetite, but it's like it takes away your appetite to the extent where I just do not want to eat. And even before Phentermine, I rarely ate. So it's, I don't know. And then the whole constipation. Also, I was on my period. I don't know if they have anything to do with it, but it's just, I don't know. I did refill my prescription. I did not set up another appointment for my 3rd month, but I am taking a break on Phentermine. I'm kind of cool on it for a little bit. I do plan on water fasting for the next 3 days to see, if I can. Cause let me tell you something. I honestly feel like what it did was take water weight. We gonna figure it out. But I'm not saying that I'm not gonna do Phentermine at all. I'm not trying to discourage you. I'm just saying I personally am taking a break on it because it's just not. It's not for me. It's really not for me. I haven't been exercising because I don't have the energy to exercise because I am not hungry. So I'm not eating. You see where everything is kind of like, and it's upsetting to me because if you've seen this channel or you watched it from week 1, I've lost weight before. I've lost 30 pounds altogether twice. So it's like, I know I can do it. I know it can be done. And the way that I'm going about it, I feel like it's not really working for me. Even with me having PCOS, I feel like I just need to stop stressing. Phentermine just is not my jam right now. It's not. Like I said, I will be doing Phentermine again, probably in a month. So right now it is April. It is, what's today? It's Sunday, April 7th. I will be getting back on Phentermine in May, but I'll break them in half so that way it can stretch and I can have, I don't know, I'll probably set up my new appointment in May sometimes to go get some more in June. But this Phentermine thing it's not for me at all. I'm not feeling it. Suppression of the appetite is to an extreme level, especially for me because like I said, I barely eat anyway, which is crazy because I'm fat, but I barely eat. Like I say, I'm not trying to discourage you. I just feel like there are better ways. And then it was just the whole thing of when I went to my appointment, the doctor was kind of condescending with me, and I already have a thing about doctors as it is. And when I went in there, I'm asking him questions. He's like, this is just a temporary thing. You need to change your lifestyle. He's pushing this whole lifestyle thing. And I'm like, I would really take that to heart if he wasn't trying to upsell me on Ozempic in the first place. So don't come to me preaching about lifestyle change because you were trying to sell me on Ozempic, which would mean I will be paying you $500 a month. So stop. Yeah, that he was telling me stuff that I already knew, like you have to change your life. Like, no stuff. No. Yeah, basically, I'm just trying to get back into the groove of things. Like, I don't want to go to the gym. I don't want to work out because I don't have the energy. Last time I went to the gym while I was on Phentermine, I feel like I was gonna pass out, in all honesty. I'm not saying don't get on Phentermine to go get on Ozempic. I honestly believe you really need to change your lifestyle. It's hard, I know, because I like to eat too. I love to eat. We have to control our hunger. And that was another thing. I've been off Phentermine for 3 days and my appetite is, Like, I've been wanting to buy all types of fast food and everything. So beware of that. I don't think it should have happened. I think that's just me, because I don't think it should have happened that as quick. like stopping Phentermine. I don't think I should have got my appetite back that quick. But beware of that, because that'll happen. The solar eclipse, the blackout slushy at Sonic, I had to break it. I had to break my diet for that. I'm sorry. But as of now, I do plan on, like today I'm planning on eating. I have like 2 chicken breasts in the oven. I'm gonna make me a big old salad. It ain't gonna be healthy by the time I get done with it. I'm just kidding. It's gonna be like a big old Caesar plus vinaigrette salad with just cheese and onion and the chicken breast, because I lack protein. That's another thing. So the next 3 days, I do plan on doing my water fast, because I do feel like I am full of water. I'm holding water in me, on me, all that. So I just want to get rid of that off my body. And after that, I'll start back my regular life, dieting, taking my metformin. I'm not doing spironolactone again. And yeah, like I said, this video isn't to discourage you. I'm just saying, before taking Phentermine, I suggest you try to change your lifestyle. That's easier said than done. I get it. I get it. I'm there. I hate when I see those comments saying, you just need to, oh, I hate those people. You just need to stop eating. Really? I ain't think of that. Or those, and sometimes people aren't aware that a lot of people store fat in their body differently. Like, especially with insulin resistant people aren't aware of that. So when people just give that generic answer, just stop eating, it's like, I really didn't think of that. I didn't. So you've seen the comments, you've seen the forums, you know what I'm talking about, those commenters who say that. I want to encourage you to try to change your lifestyle first. Try to eat healthy. And I know we like to say, like, well, it's just the food that we eat. A lot of the foods that we eat that we think are healthy, like that salad I'm finna eat, and how I just said, by the time I get done with it, it's not gonna be healthy. Well, that's because I haven't eaten all day. I really haven't eaten all day. So it'll be 1,200 calories and then like the 2 things of protein on it. But a lot of the times we think something is healthy and it's not actually healthy. Like, just because the restaurant says it's healthy really does not mean it's healthy, because they probably put a whole lot of butter in there to cook it. And plus, you got to remember, cooks at restaurants, they do their own thing. Sometimes they go rogue. Trust me, sometimes they go rogue. So even though we're eating smaller or not eating a lot, you still need to eat. You don't skip meals, but at the same time, make sure those meals are healthy. Like I said, I've lost weight before. I'm pretty sure I can do it again the right way, even with PCOS. Don't let this video discourage you from getting Phentermine. Don't let this video discourage you from your weight loss journey. I honestly would prefer you not jump straight to Ozempic. It's an expensive dependency just to lose some weight. So I really don't encourage that. But if that's what you want to do, that's your life, that's your body, boom. I'm not gonna lie, I have thought about getting Lipo 360, but I really want to try the natural way first. But Lipo 360 has been calling my name. I'm gonna put that out there. Just so you know, I'm not this overly confident person. Lipo 360 has been calling my name. But I wanna try the right way first. But thank you for watching this video. It was all over the place, I know. And technically this would be the end of the month 1 or the Phentermine journey until I start back up in, what's that? It's April. Until I start back up in May. So I'll see you sometime down the line, right? Yeah, but that's all I have to say on Phentermine. Thank you for watching. Remember to spread love, pursue purpose, and center God.